Hi guys, welcome back to a video with your girl Chrissy. We're gonna make some yellow rice, chicken stir fry today for you guys. So here's the yellow rice that I am about to start. And I'm going to start my chicken breast with a little minced garlic in a pan with avocado oil. So we're gonna let that cook up a little bit. And now we're gonna season our chicken breast with onion powder, paprika, guys, this seasoning is, I don't know, it's a little different. Damn, no, I think it was wrong. I don't want to change because I'm good where I'm at. Multi, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word of Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them what I got. Minced garlic. I'm going to add our chicken breast to the pan. We're going to wash our broccoli. This is our fresh broccoli. I picked through it already to make sure there was no brown spots, so we're just washing it. Checking on our chicken breast. Flip it on that other side. So we're gonna let this sear for a little bit and get started on our veggies. Of course, you know I have to do onions. And I have red onion and a little bit of white onion. I don't want this onion to go bad, so I decided to just mix them. We have a little bit of yellow onion, white onion, I'm sorry. Like I said, we're just gonna chop this up. No particular size. So just for stir fry, it's gonna cook down anyway. Guys, here we are gonna check on our chicken breast. It's looking good, guys. Now we're gonna cut up some fresh mushrooms to add. I'm probably just gonna use the whole thing because there's not that much left. I end up cutting up the chicken breast. Here's our rice looking good, nice and fluffy. You girl know how to make some rice, it ain't gummy. Here's our veggies, guys, onions and mushrooms. Have a little butter in a pot. We're gonna add some carrot and stir that around a bit and just gradually add all the other vegetables in as we go. So here we have, with the carrots, mushrooms and onions. And like I said, we're just gonna give it a little toss and add other veggies in as we go. Here's our green pepper and red pepper. This is just some slices that I have already cut before that I use for another meal. So we're just gonna add these ends in. Now, guys, look like I'm struggling with this knife, but I'm really not. I think that's just the way I'm holding the knife. That red pepper was so pretty. And that is all done. We're going to add that to the pot. And here we go. All these veggies look so delicious, guys. And I like the fact that they're fresh. The carrots, no, I did not cut those myself, but, you know, somebody did. But they're still fresh. Just give all of this a stir, a mix, a stir. It's looking delicious. And guys, I did add a little bit of garlic butter to this for flavor. Not that much, just a little bit. We're gonna check on our rice, and it is looking good, I must say. I had a little butter on the spoon, so if you see that, don't be alarmed, it's just butter. This rice, is fluffy. Everybody can make rice, guys. So we're gonna add a little more of the Dano in there. And give it a stir, stir, stir. Let these veggies get a little soft. I don't want them too soft though, because you know it cooks out the nutrition. We're gonna add the juicy chicken in. That's what I'm trying to show you, the juices on the chicken. And yes, guys, my hands are clean, so don't even think about saying nothing about it.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want.
Get the seasoning on the chicken. Seasoned to perfection, baby.
Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch stay bad, let's keep it a beam. When it be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jeans. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping
so
it clean.
delicious.
Niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking eat like that I mean. Baddest bitch, how you shitting me?
That a stir.
Nobody can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini me. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, niggas not breathing. I'm in a check, floating need me. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch.
Let all the juices come together in there.
Nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch on my body, I get what I
That looks good to me.
body, I do it with ease.
We're gonna add a little bit of chicken broth, guys. Just a little bit. And now we're gonna add our broccoli. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about my rice, even though I shouldn't be, because like I said, I can cook rice with my eyes closed. So guys, my kids are not ready to eat yet, so I'm just gonna fix babes, just so I could show you guys. So I'm gonna fix the babes for lunch and show you what it looks like. Guys, this rice looks so good. It is good. It was good. I tried it. I ain't gonna lie. I tried it. I did. So now we're going to add a stir fry on top of the rice. So delicious. And guys, I found string beans in the freezer, so I did add those. Look at that. So good. I think I'm just going to take a try of this. He won't know. He'll be okay. Got the red pepper popping. And then I'll just fix it back. He won't know. It's fine. Our little secret, guys. I must say, it looks delicious. And that is Babe's lunch. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.